Hello everyone. Among the recent pens I bought were these two, and they are essentially the same pen. Look at those filthy fingers. They're essentially the same pen, except one is in silver and one is in gold fill. And it has some schmutz on it here. And which do I like better if I had to choose? Of course, it would be the silver one. And why would I choose that one over the gold? Just because it's silver. I think the silver just is a nicer look to it, I guess. This is interesting because, in addition to it being silver, it's engraved, which isn't all that rare on a pen like this, but I think it's written in a foreign language. It looks like it says P-N-U-B, which doesn't make any sense to me. P, or is it something else? This is what it looks like. P. There's a P that looks like that. Then there's a squiggle that looks like this. Up, down, up, down. Is that what it looks like? No. Cross that out. It's very weird. P goes up here like that and then sort of goes straight down. Yeah, P-N. I would say that was an N. Wouldn't you say that was an N? And then it has like that. P-N-U-B. And the B looks like this. Now the B looks like a German script, old-fashioned German script, capital B, which looked like that, I think. I don't know what I mean. It has a squiggle here, and it has three little squiggles like that, and like this. So what does that say? What do you think that says? I don't know what it says. P-N-U-B. Pnub. So Mr. Pnub owned this. The German script of the early 1900s and 1800s had 3 or 4 letters that all looked essentially identical. And that was an R and an E and an N. And they look like that. They look like that. They all look like that. So if this was a sort of, a script version of that, those two things could be, each of them can be at least three different letters. So it could be P-E-R-B. I don't know. Or is that an L? I forget. Where's my German script? Anyway, so they both have similar nibs. Really, they're flexible and responsive. They would make a writer happy, some calligraphers happy, a draftsman happy. I think I'm going to play around with these for a while. These may be duplicates from pens that I already own, so I may sell these at the next pen show that I'm at. I'll probably keep this one because I like the engraving, but I might have one like this that doesn't have engraving that you might like, or you might like. I'm not sure. This one doesn't have engraving, so if I have another one of these, This one might be for sale. But they're quite lovely when you see them next to each other. The silver and the gold. Silver and the gold. The silver one feels heavier than the gold one. Now where's my balance? No, it is heavier. Now why is that heavier? I don't know, but it feels heavier. Look at this. This is a bigger version of the pen. This has a number 5 nib, I think. What does this have in it? What kind of nib? What size nib? Hold on 1 second. It's a 4. 4 nib. This is really quite a nice size. There's something about this size though, this sort of number 2 or 3 size. These both have number 3 nibs in them. Because they're sort of the same size, or they feel almost the same as a pencil. As you can see, they're a little bit bigger, but there's something sort of neat about the size, the diameter of these pens. I also like these pens a lot because of the metal cap and barrel have only a very slight difference in cap diameter, so that I can sort of move my hand back and forth as I'm drawing, and I don't have that bump that a normal pen would have, like this one, you know, where I can feel with my hand parts, whatever, in my little hand anatomy, I can feel the pen's anatomy, and I don't really like doing that. I like not having that sometimes. But as you know, you people that watch me, I can change my mind in the middle of the word. I really like that one. And I might actually mean it. This one's upside down. There we go. Now it's right side up. So another thing, let's see, P-N-U-B, pnub. Maybe it's a silent P, nub. Nub sold pneumatic tires. I like the incised line right there that you don't see on this model. This has a sort of unfinished feel to it. Does it have an incised line at the bottom? Yes, it does. Not at the top, though. Not up there. Just down there. Anyway, what do you think? Do you like silver or do you like gold? Write your comments below. See you later.